Many of us struggle with stubborn belly fat, that persistent layer around our midsection that seems to stick around no matter how hard we work out or how carefully we watch what we eat. It can feel discouraging, especially when we're putting in the effort and not seeing the results we want. Sometimes it feels like we've tried every diet, every exercise plan, and every new trend, but that belly fat just won't go away. The frustration can be overwhelming, and it's easy to wonder if we're missing something important. But the truth is, this isn't just about how we look in the mirror. Visceral fat, which builds up around our organs, is actually a serious health concern. It increases our risk for heart disease, diabetes, and other chronic conditions that can impact our quality of life. At the same time, many of us are dealing with restless nights and poor sleep, tossing and turning, staring at the ceiling, or waking up feeling just as tired as when we went to bed. These sleepless nights make everything feel harder. When we don't get enough sleep, our bodies get out of balance. Hormones that control hunger and cravings go haywire, making us reach for sugary snacks and comfort foods. This triggers a cycle of weight gain, stress, and even more restless nights. Being sleep-deprived also causes our bodies to produce more cortisol, the stress hormone. High cortisol levels signal our bodies to store more fat, especially around the belly, making it even harder to lose weight and feel our best. It's a frustrating cycle. Poor sleep leads to more belly fat, and carrying extra fat makes it even harder to get a good night's rest. The two problems feed off each other, leaving us feeling stuck and exhausted. But what if there was a simple, natural change you could make to your nightly routine that could help you break this cycle? Imagine supporting your body's fat-burning process while also setting yourself up for deeper, more restful sleep. Tonight we'll show you exactly how to do just that, so you can wake up feeling refreshed, energized, and ready to take on the day. Imagine ending your day with a warm, soothing drink that not only calms your mind, but also signals to your body that it's time to unwind and let go of the day's stress. As you cradle the mug in your hands, you can feel the gentle heat radiating through your fingers, inviting you to slow down and be present in the moment. This simple act does more than just comfort you. It supports your metabolism as you sleep, helping your body process nutrients and maintain balance through the night. The secret lies in the ingredients. This isn't a magic potion, but a thoughtful blend of natural elements like ginger, turmeric, cinnamon, and honey. Each one is backed by science, shown to help regulate blood sugar, reduce inflammation, and promote deep relaxation. These ingredients have been used for centuries in traditional remedies, and now, modern research confirms their benefits. By combining these powerful ingredients into one simple drink, you're working in harmony with your body's natural rhythms, supporting your health in a gentle, sustainable way. It's a gentle, consistent step you can take every night. No harsh chemicals, no complicated routines, just a comforting ritual that fits easily into your lifestyle. Over time, these small choices add up. You might notice you wake up feeling more refreshed, your energy steadier, and even your skin looking brighter. This small habit can lead to real, visible changes in how you feel and look, simply by supporting your body's natural processes. While you rest, your body repairs and regenerates. This drink gives it a little extra help, so you can wake up ready to take on a new day. Make it part of your evening ritual, whether you're reading, journaling, or simply enjoying a moment of quiet. With every sip, you're investing in your well-being and working toward your goals, even while you sleep. Sometimes, the simplest solutions are the most powerful. A nightly drink may seem small, but its impact can be profound. Let's take a closer look at what's inside this soothing nighttime elixir, and discover how each ingredient works together to help you rest, recover, and thrive. The first key ingredient in our natural health blend is chamomile tea, a soothing herbal infusion that has been cherished for centuries across many cultures for its calming and healing effects. Chamomile is often enjoyed in the evening, as its gentle floral aroma and mild taste help signal to your body that it's time to unwind and relax after a long day. Chamomile contains a powerful antioxidant called apigenin, which binds to certain receptors in your brain, helping to reduce anxiety and promote restful, uninterrupted sleep. This makes chamomile tea a natural choice for anyone struggling with stress or sleepless nights, and it's a gentle way to support your mental well-being. Next, we add cinnamon, a fragrant spice that's more than just a delicious flavor. Cinnamon is a metabolic powerhouse, known for its ability to help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. By supporting healthy blood sugar, cinnamon can help reduce fat storage, and curb late-night cravings, making it a smart addition to your bedtime routine. Add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice for a burst of vitamin C, antioxidants, and gentle detox support. Lemon not only brightens the flavor of your tea, but also helps your body fight off free radicals and supports your immune system, especially important during times of stress or seasonal changes. Lemon also aids digestion and helps your body absorb nutrients more efficiently, which is essential for maintaining energy and supporting weight control. Its natural acidity can help balance your digestive system, making it easier for your body to process food and absorb the goodness from every meal. Optionally, you can add a teaspoon of raw honey. Not only does honey add a touch of natural sweetness, but it also helps your brain release melatonin, the sleep hormone, for deeper, more restorative rest. Raw honey contains trace enzymes and nutrients that support your overall health. The key is balance, just enough honey to trigger a positive response without adding excess sugar. A small amount goes a long way, providing comfort and flavor while keeping your drink healthy and light. Each ingredient in this blend works together in harmony to help you relax, sleep deeply, and support your metabolism overnight. This combination not only soothes your senses, but also nourishes your body from the inside out, making it a perfect ritual before bed. It's a simple recipe, but the benefits truly add up over time. By making this natural tea part of your nightly routine, you're giving your body the best chance to rest, recover, and thrive. Now, let's make it together. Making this drink is easy and quick. Gather 1 chamomile tea bag, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, juice from a quarter lemon, and a cup of water. Boil the water, pour it over the tea bag, and steep for 5 to 7 minutes. Remove the tea bag, stir in the cinnamon, and add the lemon juice. If you like, add a teaspoon of raw honey once the tea cools slightly. Stir well, and your elixir is ready. Sip it slowly in a quiet spot, letting the warmth and aroma signal your body it's time to unwind. This simple ritual can transform your nights. For best results, drink your elixir 30 to 60 minutes before bed. This gives the calming and metabolic ingredients time to work and helps your body wind down. Drinking it too close to bedtime can disrupt your sleep with bathroom trips or discomfort. Make it a consistent ritual. Your body loves routine, and this drink becomes a cue for sleep. Pair it with a relaxing activity like reading or gentle stretching. Over time, this habit will help you fall asleep faster and sleep more deeply. Consistency is key to building healthy habits. Let this be your new nightly signal for rest. Remember, this drink is a helpful tool, not a magic fix. True health comes from a balanced lifestyle. Pair your nightly elixir with whole foods and regular movement. Focus on vegetables, lean proteins, healthy fats, and limit processed foods and sugars. Daily activity like walking, yoga, or dancing boosts your metabolism and mood. These habits work together. Good food, daily movement, and your bedtime drink. Be patient and kind to yourself. Lasting change takes time. Celebrate small wins, like better sleep or more energy. This isn't a quick fix, but a sustainable path to feeling your best. Your new bedtime ritual is a comforting part of a healthier lifestyle. Start tonight and build momentum for lasting wellness. You now have a simple, natural way to support fat loss and better sleep. The solution is in your kitchen: chamomile, cinnamon, lemon, and honey. Brew your first cup tonight and enjoy the warmth and aroma as you wind down. Notice how your sleep improves, your cravings lessen, and your energy grows. Small, consistent changes add up to big results. You deserve restful nights and a healthier, happier you. Embrace this nightly ritual and see how it transforms your days and nights. Your journey to better health starts tonight.